Friends, for the top story this week, I've got a gadget that's too big and it runs on wheels. काफी exciting है. Let's see कैसा है हमारा ये पहला gadget. So guys, for the next gadget, I've got this huge gadget coming straight from Audi. This is the all-new Audi Q6 e-tron. And मैं आपको पहले बताया था कि this car is loaded with features inside, outside, underneath, because ये एक EV है तो you all know कि कितने interesting features इसमें होने वाले हैं. Well, let me give you a few of the important ones. सबसे पहले, have a closer look at the headlights. Well, these are not the headlights are down here, but what you have here is a customizable panel of LEDs. Basically, there are total 70 different segments, जिसमें से you can customize 61. I mean, यहाँ पे 5 rows हैं and you can set your digital signature. Okay, tech is everywhere. So what we have is OLED based rear lights, and यहाँ पे we have 3 segments on this side, 3 segments on this side, and total we have 360 different elements. यहाँ पे भी you can customize same as per the light signature what you want, because there are 8 different presets. But then again, it does some other things as well. For example, to communicate, with the outside world. यहाँ पे maybe if you're braking too hard or if you walk too close, hazard sign बना हुआ जाता है, just to like give this element of a soul of the car. I can just to give you some power figures about this car. Well, there are lots of big numbers associated, because हमारे पास में we have 2 motors, one on each axle. Front one is 140 kilowatts, the rear one is 280 kilowatts, and combined you get a power output of 380 kilowatts. As the battery inside has like a completely new design, I would say, जहाँ पे हमारे पास में total 12 modules हैं, हर एक में 15 cells हैं. So total we have 180 prismatic cells and the capacity is of 100 kilowatt hour. But the best part is it supports up to 270 kilowatt charging, which simply means कि आप 10% से 80% तक जा सकते हैं in just 21 minutes, which is really good, because हमको चाहिए कि if we have an EV on long road trips, हमको ज़्यादा रुकना ना पड़े चार्ज करने के लिए. So basically this car has everything packed inside. And guys, speaking of what's packed inside, there's lots and lots and lots of power, because this version, what I have is the SQ6 e-tron, and यहाँ पे 0 to 100, it's in the low 4 seconds. Yes, it's just 4.3 seconds, and जितना मैंने experience किया, this feels like a complete super sporty experience. All new Audi की brand new Q6 e-tron. So guys, here I am enjoying this SQ6 e-tron while I'm going uphill, I'm going downhill. I'm basically enjoying this nice scenic drive in Spain. And ये जो गाड़ी है ना, I'll tell you, this feels quite amazing, because number 1 of its compact size, number 2 the kind of power it packs, and number 3 how the interior is designed just to be driver focused. Because अगर हम बात करते हैं steering की, it's actually quite functional, because it has this new shape, feels quite ergonomic. एक और चीज़ जो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है वो ये कि I have this navigation right in front of me, but also on top what I'm getting is this headrest, जहाँ से मुझे सारे instructions मिल रहे हैं for me to follow pretty closely without bothering any of my co-passengers. One more thing which I would really say is quite unique is the way the screen is curved towards the driver, because sometimes the screen is flat. It's not that good for the driver while driving, because यहाँ पे I can see all the information right in front of me. And speaking of the information in front of me, guys, the heads-up display is something which is quite fascinating. एक और चीज़ जो बहुत interesting है in all the Audis you'll get is the drive mode. So if you go to dynamic, there you have it. The car will lower a bit, और जो performance है वो आपको मिलेगी just like, for example, I would say the RS e-tron GT. Guys, with the dynamic mode, the moment you enable that and the moment you push, hear that? ये जो sound है, it is not coming, from the car because it's an EV, but speakers say you get this fake sound which gives you this feel of a sports car. So guys, as they say, cars are toys for grown-up men, and this is my favorite toy right now, the all-new Audi Q6 e-tron. And yeah,